chun tá sibh is mi sin mórlan, sí seo líise agus sí seo sibh má bhirt inéan.
Hello. Hello.
Cén é Steve, Chalíní, aber leis na leanaí?
Agus tá sibh.
Agus táid ar fad ag neadú, we're all nesting at home for the last few weeks. So ceapamar go meach sé go deas árán a dhéanamh libh agus a bhóinna díobh agus tá na leanaí sa chun cabhrúlam is mór an cabhar sibh nach cha? Agus an tárán sa, well, Cuirfimid Deaindí is anam den árán sa agus is árán é do bíine a tuairtear the leanaí beaga agus beidir a dúigh rinkileo. It's a bouncing the baby or dancing the baby song where you place the child on your knee and then you throw them up in the air for the high notes. Tá sibh beáning traumanis ní man anna dhéanamh leatsa a heile. It's féilim fós a dhéanamh leatsa, yeah, that's fós beag. So, an chéad the animate now, canimid an árán in umlán. We'll sing the song all the way through. And then we'll go through the lyrics really quickly, each verse, and then we'll sing it all the way through again. And hopefully, beg sé fáil an thugad, agus beg na lyricí hís féin fi seán, beg the lyrics will be under the video so you can learn the words or print out the words or whatever is handiest for you. So, tá súil go minic sibh sásamh as so. Okay, will we do it?
Tá.
Okay. Okay. Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí, Cuirfimid Deaindí, Mháire, Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí, bróga, stocaí, bana, Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí, Cuirfimid Deaindí, Mháire, Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí, bróga, stocaí, bana, óra das is das, óra das ga haerach, óra das is das. Das is das a leigel, óra das is das, óra das ga haerach, óra das is das. Das is das a leigel, caithfimid suas is suas, caithfimid suas an páiste, caithfimid suas is suas, stocaí sí nuas an Mháire, caithfimid suas is suas, caithfimid suas an páiste, caithfimid suas is suas, stocaí sí nuas an Mháire, óra das is das, óra das ga haerach, óra das is das. Das is das a leigel, óra das is das, óra das ga haerach, óra das is das. Das is das a leigel, dinna sí das is das, dinna sí das le pleasure, dinna sí das is das. Mína sí héile chéile, dinna sí das is das, dinna sí das le pleasure, dinna sí das is das. Mína sí héile chéile, óra das is das, óra das ga haerach, óra das is das. Das is das a leigel, óra das is das, óra das ga haerach, óra das is das. Das is das a leigel, caithfimid suas is suas, caithfimid suas ga haersci, caithfimid suas is suas, seachan na chrís ná plesci, caithfimid suas is suas, caithfimid suas ga haersci, caithfimid suas is suas, seachan na chrís ná plesci, óra das is das.
Óra das ga haerach,
óra das is das. Das is das a leigel, óra das is das, óra das ga haerach, óra das is das. Das is das a leigel. No, I wouldn't know the turn. Tá know the turn up we got to do like primary treats on. Okay, so here are the animate now. Leave in the Focail. We'll read the words. I should honourish. So, which of
Can I have go lyrics again too?
Cilíonn sé sin Focail. Okay, not be bored fishing.
Okay.
Okay, right. So,
Ní chanan tú lyrics.
ní chanan tú. Well,
No,
ní chanan tú an Focail so.
Yeah. Lyrics Cuirfimid Deaindí.
Okay, right. So, Dermot. Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí. Sibh sin?
Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí.
Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire.
Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire.
Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí.
Cuirfimid Deaindí, Deaindí.
Bróga, stocaí, bana.
Bróga, stocaí, bana.
Okay, cad spríne sin.
Cur éadaí an páiste, cur éadaí Mháire, cur éadaí Mháire, bróga, stocaí, bana.
Yeah, so díobh sé a fáil na gailne. It just means we're going to dress up little Mary and we're going to dress her up all fancy and we'll put Nice shoes and white
shoes and white socks.
white shoes and white socks.
White
on her.
socks.
White socks, just like you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, well I should slaughter them, son.
But I should down and so. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
All right.
Okay, stop.
Okay, so nish go bhfuil an versa again now that we've done the verse. Genimid and Curfá. An Curfá anarish. Oro, daus is daus. Shifshir?
Oro, daus is daus.
Is oro daus haerach.
Oro, daus, haerach.
Oro daus is daus.
Oro, daus is daus.
Is daus a ghil.
Daus is daus a legion.
Okay, cut the spríle sin. What does that mean? Oro daus is daus.
Just like
I don't
size
know.
romage size.
Cad sé dausa?
Rinke.
Rinke. Yeah, so it just means we'll dance go haerach merrily. Cad sé a ghil.
Like a sweetheart.
Yes, a nice way of a term of endearment in Dirty that spirit. Agus lei sé céan
Law. Bow.
Oh, og. Yeah.
Oh.
So, little calf. It's a way of, it's like calling someone a little chicken. Okay, so Sean Curfá. Or, leglam, treat Orvan. Oro daus is oro daus haerach. Oro daus is daus a ghil. Alright, so have verse of on, agus Curfá of on. We've done one verse and one chorus. So, I'm going to teach you the melody now, so we start singing immediately because ni maladina bioga fefehev. I know little ones don't like to be waiting.
Name is shit.
Okay, so here versa. No, one sec. Calavisha in or vane agus an sun shifsha, okay? Okay. Cuirfimid Deaindí.
Cuirfimid Deaindí.
Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire.
Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire.
Okay, den and Lena son in Amhránaíochta. 1, 2, 3.
Cuirfimid
Deaindí, Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire. What's it? Can't leave the Ella. Cuirfimid Deaindí.
Cuirfimid Deaindí.
Bróga, stocaí, bana.
Bróga, stocaí, bana.
Okay, which of Olive?
No.
We're going to try the whole verse now. And verse fad li chéile. Gachtan li chéile. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Bróga, stocaí, bana. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Bróga, stocaí, bana. So count to versa. Feho, you sing that twice, and then we do the Curfá agus tin Marshall. Oro daus is daus, oro daus haerach. Shifshin the pain.
Oro daus is daus, oro daus haerach.
Oro daus is daus,
Oro daus is daus.
is daus a ghil.
Daus is daus a legion.
Ah, so tin and Curfá are fad Marshall. Oro daus is oro daus haerach. Oro daus is a ghil. Oro daus is oro daus haerach. Oro daus is a ghil. Alright, so then it'll be versa agus Curfá. Which of Olive? Okay, Shalin. 1, 2, 3. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Bróga, stocaí, bana. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire. Cuirfimid Deaindí. Bróga, stocaí, bana. Oro daus is daus, oro daus haerach. Oro daus is a ghil. Oro daus is oro daus haerach. Oro daus is a ghil. Consol Gary live. Anava.
Oh, Granor.
We should have told how are you getting on? Okay, first of
Má
all,
háise ba canile.
Mahash of a canon, Tassul gum go well. Had the captain shift shit. Will she it?
Is dána me. Is dá go chuidico.
Versa a do. So, change it. Caithfimid suas is Caithfimid suas páiste. Can spring a shin.
We'll throw up the child.
We won't. We throw the child up in the air. Yeah.
That's
so,
what I mean.
I know. Caithfimid suas is Caithfimid suas páiste. Caithfimid suas is Tucha shin was amhránaíochta.
That means-
What does that mean?
It will come down tomorrow.
She or he, Tucha shin was Dermot and Orsha, okay? He will come down tomorrow, okay? So, Dermot or Doshe. Caithfimid suas is Caithfimid suas páiste. Caithfimid suas is Tucha shin was amhránaíochta. Okay, now we'd sing it line by line. I'll sing it first and then the kids will sing it and hopefully you will as well. Okay. Caithfimid suas is
Caithfimid suas is suas.
Caithfimid suas páiste.
Caithfimid suas páiste.
Caithfimid suas is
Caithfimid suas is suas.
Tucha shin was amhránaíochta.
Tucha shin was amhránaíochta.
Anava. Okay, so here's the whole verse Lichéile. Siobhalach?
Tá.
Caithfimid suas is Caithfimid suas páiste. Caithfimid suas is Tucha shin was amhránaíochta. Caithfimid suas Caithfimid suas páiste. Caithfimid suas Tucha shin was amhránaíochta. Ora daus is daus. Ora daus go haerach. Ora daus is daus a leigil. Ora daus is daus. Ora daus go haerach. Ora daus is daus a leigil. Okay, which we did okay?
Tá.
As an ishtin an trio versa. Diana she daus is daus. Diana she daus le pleasure. Cad spring shin.
Dinna she rinke. Dinna she Martha Stoga. Go sosta.
Go sosta, yeah, anava. So she will dance and she will be happy. Diana she daus is daus. Me hena si hen le chéile. Cad spring shin.
Me and her together.
Anava. Okay. So, change mar seo. Diana she daus is Diana she daus le pleasure.
Dinna she daus is Dinna she daus le pleasure.
Diana she daus is
Dinna she daus is
Me hen is I hen le chéile.
Me hain is I hain le chéile.
Okay, so Calama Aileen Erlina, I'll sing it line by line now. Okay. Diana she daus is
Dinna she daus is
Diana she daus le pleasure.
Dinna she daus le pleasure.
Diana she daus is
Dinna she daus is
Me hen is I hen le chéile.
Me hain is I hain le chéile.
Anava, lads, I should fuck a whole talk like yourself. Okay, so Diana meet in versinish. Rav out them. Siobhalach? Okay, so. Dinna she daus is Dinna she daus le pleasure. Dinna she daus is Me hen is I hen le chéile. Dinna she daus is Dinna she daus le pleasure. Dinna she daus is Me hen is I hen le chéile. Ora daus is Ora daus go haerach. Ora daus is daus a leigil. Ora daus is Ora daus go haerach. Ora daus is daus a leigil. Okay, go home to Ursa Derelach. Caithfimid suasi. Caithfimid suas go haeski. What does that mean, Si?
Well, Caithfimid suas is susi. We'll throw her up
In the air.
in the air. We'll throw
Go haeska.
we'll throw her up with ease.
With ease, Anava. Caithfimid suasi. Shacha na chris na pleaski. Casprila shinli she. Yeah?
Be careful with your heart and don't pop it. No, and don't pop her.
Don't pop her. Yeah. So don't let her drop. Sin an rud. Seach an chrí. Be careful, my love. It's not pléasci. Because pléasc. That's pléasc. Yeah. So be core my question now. I just feel that E no A or she no she pair of the small lip. So Jeremy E then versus show. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So okay. Caithfimid suasí suasí sibh.
Caithfimid suasí.
Caithfimid suas go héascí.
Caithfimid suas go héascí.
Caithfimid suasí suasí.
Caithfimid suasí.
Seachan na chrís na pléasci.
Seachan na chrís na pléasci.
Ah, va. Okay, then we sin fé hole so. Olive.
Yeah.
Hen. Do. Chi. Caithfimid suasí suasí. Caithfimid suas go héascí. Caithfimid suasí suasí. Seachan na chrís na pléasci. Caithfimid suasí suas. Caithfimid suas go héascí. Caithfimid suasí suas. Seachan na chrís na pléasci. Curfá. Ora das is das. Ora das go haerach. Ora das is das. Is das is das a leigil. Ora das is das. Ora das go haerach. Ora das is das. Is das is das a leigil. Agus we're hamish going to tower on a creach now. When we're going to finish this song, we're going to go. Thous is thous a leigil. Okay, nish go na Focail fadiantagainn agus tá an tauron na Focail agaibh an faun agaibh. You've got your melody, you've got your lyrics agus tá mi trísh dul tríd in our fad agus tá na lani trísh a bhíú díobh cad sprílis na Focail, so you know what the words mean. Canimid an tauron na chéile éon or bháin gach duine le chéile agus na mammies agus daddies na hasisiid an son chuma. Okay, will you follow? Okay. Hen, do, trí, go. Cuirfimid Deaindí Deaindí, Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire, Cuirfimid Deaindí Deaindí bróga stocaí bana, Cuirfimid Deaindí Deaindí, Cuirfimid Deaindí Mháire, Cuirfimid Deaindí Deaindí bróga stocaí bana. Ora damhs is damhs, ora damhs go haerach, ora damhs is damhs, is damhs is damhs a leigil. Ora damhs is damhs, ora damhs go haerach, ora damhs is damhs. Thous is thous a leigil. Caithfimid suas is suas.
Caithfimid suas.
An páiste caithfimid suas is suas. Tuca sin os a Mháire. Caithfimid suas is suas. Caithfimid suas an páiste. Caithfimid suas is suas. Tuca sin os a Mháire. Ora
Thous is thous. Ora thous go haerach. Ora thous is thous.
thous is thous a leigil. Ora thous is thous.
Ora thous go haerach. Ora thous is thous.
Is thous a leigil. Dinna she thous is thous. Dinna she thous le pleasure. Dinna she thous is thous. Me hain is he hain le chéile. Dinna she thous is thous. Dinna she thous le pleasure. Dinna she thous is thous. Hain is he hain le chéile. Ora
thous is thous.
ora thous go haerach. Ora thous is thous.
Thous is thous a leigil. Ora thous is thous.
Is ora thous go haerach. Ora thous is thous. Thous first a Jeremy. Caithfimid suas is suasí. Caithfimid suas go héascí. Caithfimid suas is suas. Seachan na chrís na pléasci. Caithfimid suas is suas. Caithfimid suas go héascí. Caithfimid suas is suas. Seachan na chrís na pléasci. Ora thous is thous.
Ora thous go haerach. Ora thous is thous. Thous is thous a leigil. Ora thous is thous.
Ora thous go haerach. Ora thous is thous. Is thous is thous a leigil. Wow, we should go húltach. Fair play dí bheith go bailile chuma hasulgum go bhfuil versása bhasan agus hasulgum go bhfuil gachtain na déanamh okay. Agus beidir gan enimid a Ronnie Nella she's an bóthar písa. Ach gur míle mágad le má beautiful assistants Leisha na Glen agus Saibh na Glen agus thugaí ar an son ag go bailile. Slán fóil!
Slán! Go